Is it?
Well, we have community rating in the market right now, and community rating basically means everybody pays the same, regardless of their age, their gender, or their medical history. But it's been seriously compromised because so many people have left the market. And this lifetime community rating measure is actually, the legislation is sitting there now nearly for 14 years, but they're enacting it now because the market has become unstable, and they need to get more young people into the market, which will, I suppose, sustain the market long term for everybody. And that's what they're doing. So this lifetime community rating means that from the 1st of May, anybody who's over 35 or over who doesn't have health insurance, if they join after May, they will be hit with a 2% loading for each year after that. And it's a permanent loading, so that there's no way around it. To give an example, a 39-year-old will now pay 10% extra on their cover, 44-year-old 20%, and so on. And as you get older, these loadings are pretty hefty. I mean, I was doing a calculation for a 54-year-old couple. They will probably over 30 years pay nearly €40,000 extra for a mid-range plan just on loadings alone. So people who are anyway interested in health insurance, they need to do it before Thursday week, otherwise these loadings will come into play.
Okay, so this is huge. This is in 8 days' time.
Exactly, and there's no discretion, there's no exceptions. If you join after the 1st of May and you're over 35, this will apply, there's no way around it. So a lot of people are not happy that they're being forced to make a decision, and I can appreciate that. But in the long term, I suppose, the long term interest of the market, so that health insurance doesn't go up 20 to 30% each year, and we see hospitals closing and so on, this is an important piece of legislation.